Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're going to learn about how to sell digital products on TikTok Shop. So onto this tutorial, we're going to provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to sell digital products on your TikTok Shop. So whether you're an artist, a content creator, or just someone with a digital product to share, this tutorial might be helpful for you. So first things first, go ahead and head onto your TikTok app if you're using your phone. But if you're using the web just like me, you could head onto the Seller Center and then log in onto your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply set up or sign up for a TikTok shop and you'll need to do that until you can log in. So as you can see, this is what you should see right after you've logged in already onto your Seller Center. So since we're just starting out, and if you're just starting out like me, you should be able to see a step-by-step guide on how to get up and running to kickstart your business on TikTok Shop. So we also have different tools here onto the left side. We have here the add products. We also have track orders, the finance apps and services, growth center, account, account and help, and the help center as well. Since you need to list a product or a digital product in here, just click onto products to add one and then click on manage products. So we're going to upload our first product here, more specifically a digital product. So as you can see, there are steps on how to do this. So you'll need to select an accurate category for the product since this helps TikTok Shop recommend your product to target customers. So you need to also fill in the information or product information as required. Quality product information can increase your online sales. So the product will be displayed publicly once approved. And now you'll just need to click on to add new product. And as you can see, we're still in the shop probation period. So during this stage, you can publish up to 200 products each day, but this might change once you're already in the long run of selling on TikTok. So we're just going to need to fill in the information that is needed in here for a digital product to sell. So you'll just need to choose which product you want to sell first. So for this one, you'll just need to select the type of digital product that you're selling. So for this tutorial, we'll be using an ebook as an example, and we're going to add it in here onto the product name. So we'll add an ebook, and as you can see, the recommended length for the product name is 25 characters or more. So the category will be identified automatically according to the product name. So we'll just need to add in here more information for this one. So we could add in here digital ebook online, and then right after that, the next thing that we could do is add in here is a category. So since we've gone ahead and already added that, you can see here on the Seller Center that there are actually recommended keywords based on the category or the product name that we have added in here. So it automatically added a category as well. So we have the book, magazine, and audio, education and schooling, language, and dictionary for this. And since this is just automatically added, we need to review the suggested category to make sure that it's right for your product. So I think this one is all right already. Now, if we're also working with brands, so products with brand authorization are more likely to be recommended on the TikTok shop. So you need to add it in here. But if you don't have a brand for that, you'll just need to go ahead and scroll down in here since there is an option in here to add in no brand. So we're just going to select that one. And then as you can see, it's time to add in the product attributes. So providing product attributes can give customers a more comprehensive understanding of the product and also capitalize the first letter of each word in custom attributes following names. So you'll just need to go ahead and follow that one out. And since this one is for a book, the different attributes that you could add in here are the publisher, the quantity per pack, the year, number of pages, its ISBN or ISSN, translator, editor version, author, cover type, edition type, and language, and many more. So you'll just need to fill it in here as per the book or the ebook that you're trying to sell. And now scrolling down further, now it's time to add in the media. So it is actually recommended to include at least 5 images to adequately represent your product. So you'll just need to upload the main image in here, and you need to take note of the different requirements for the dimension. It should be 600 by 600 px, and the maximum file size is 5 MB up to 9 files, and the format should be JPEG and then PNG as well. So we'll just need to add it in here, the primary, secondary, and since we're selling a digital product, so you could actually add it in here, a photo of books or the book cover for that one. So you'll need to choose which one. Now, once you've gone ahead and already added a photo, you could also add in a video in here. So you'll have an option to add in a video for your digital product, which is an ebook. So the video aspect ratio should be between 9 by 16 to 16 by 9, and the maximum file size is 100 MB for that. Now, right after you finish adding a photo or video, it's time to add in a product detail. So this is actually one of the most important things in here, since there are a lot of differences onto selling a digital product or to the actual product itself. So here under the digital product, we need to be very descriptive for this, since in here onto its description, we'll get to add more things in here that would help the buyer to identify how they should be able to receive the product or how the process will go. Now, if you notice, there is AI generated product description in here. So you'll just need to add in a keyword in here to improve the richness and accuracy of this generated content. So you'll just need to enter keywords for benefits, features, brand, or description of the product in here. And then we'll click on to generate. And then TikTok will going to go ahead and add in the description for you. So for you, if you have already a constructed product description, you might not need the help with AI in here. You'll just need to go ahead and copy your product description in here and paste it. So we're just going to go ahead and keep this one out, the AI generated product description that we have. So since this is a digital product, we need to provide more information in here. So you'll just need to go ahead and add in more rules onto what should happen if they buy a product in here, where they should be able to receive the digital product or how they should be able to receive the product since this is a digital one. So I have a guide. So, or this one is the digital ebook delivery information, and we're going to add this onto the product description as well. So as you can see in here, we could just add in here that thank you for choosing this, and then right after, we're going to go ahead and add in the instructions onto what to do when they purchase. So they have instant download or the download link, the email delivery, how to access your ebook, and what to do next right after they go ahead and check out the specific product. So you need to be very specific onto your information or terms in here, or you'll just need to go ahead and be very specific onto how they should receive this. So right after everything is already set onto the description, you're just going to go ahead and try to head onto the sales information. So here onto the sales information, so right after everything is already set onto the description, you're going to go ahead and try to head onto the sales. So you could add in an abbreviation for that, enter an option if you don't have a variation. So right after, add in a price quantity for that one of your digital ebook. Now, since we have shipping in here, so this is actually an important step since it is needed even though we don't need to ship anything in here. So we'll just need to still fill this one out to proceed. So since we cannot leave this blank, we'll just need to add in one in here that I mentioned. So you'll just need to skip anything that are not needed or just optional. So for delivery option, we're just going to click into custom in here. So we're just going to go ahead and click onto standard shipping, so you could just turn on or turn off the cash and delivery. It doesn't matter since we don't really need the shipping in here. Just the overall process just stops onto the product details. So they could check out and you don't need anything in here. So right after, once everything is already set in there, you've filled out all the details, just go ahead and submit for review the product that you've added, which is a digital ebook product. And that's just basically it onto how to sell digital products on your TikTok shop. So whether you're an experienced seller or just starting, you could follow those steps to help you successfully list and promote your digital products. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.